The 2027 Chevrolet Silverado is about to make the current model look like yesterday's news because it's getting a full redesign. If you've been sitting on the fence about pulling the trigger on a new Silverado, this is the video that could save you from a decision you'll regret the moment the new generation rolls into dealerships. Most people assume the current Silverado is already the best version of this truck, but what GM is preparing for 2027 is so far ahead, and here are 7 pretty obvious reasons. Number 7. New generation coming. The Silverado has been running on the same generation since 2019. That's a long stretch in the full-size truck world, and buyers have felt it. A ground-up redesign is coming for the 2027 model year, and this is not a cosmetic refresh with a new grille and a bigger screen. Every major element is being reconsidered from scratch. The new exterior is sharper, more upright, and considerably more aggressive than the current generation. C-shaped LED headlights dominate the front end. The hood gains twin power bulges, the grille becomes wider and more structured, while the overall stance grows noticeably more confident. At the rear, elongated taillights echo the Silverado EV's design language, giving the whole truck a far more modern appearance. New powertrains, a completely overhauled cabin, and improved capability figures are all part of this redesign. Each one deserves its own chapter, and the next one will matter most to every hardcore Silverado fan. Number 6. Next generation V8. Here's the chapter that's going to make a lot of truck buyers pay close attention. GM is pouring a staggering $888 million into a brand new V8 engine family, and it's heading straight into the 2027 Silverado. The outgoing 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter small block engines are proven power plants, but at around 17 miles per gallon combined, they have always come with a cost that shows up every time you pull into a gas station. If you've ever driven a loaded Silverado on a long highway run and watched the fuel gauge drop faster than expected, you already know the frustration. Every towing trip makes it worse. Every full bed makes it worse still. That's exactly what GM is targeting with the new V8 family. The next generation engines are confirmed to deliver stronger performance, improved fuel economy, and reduced emissions, backed by new combustion and thermal management innovations. Displacement is about to grow, with early reports pointing toward 5.7 and 6.6-liter variants replacing the current lineup. And here's what truly separates GM from the competition right now. While Ford and Ram have been moving toward turbocharged V6 setups, GM is choosing a different path entirely. No downsizing, no 6-cylinder substitutes with a sound that simply doesn't match. Just a better, more efficient V8, the kind that keeps what truck buyers actually love while fixing what they've been complaining about for years. But a great engine alone won't win buyers over, and GM clearly knows that because what's happening inside the 2027 Silverado is just as significant as what's happening under the hood. Number 5. Modern cabin, finally. The inside of the current Silverado has been a sore point for a long time. Walk into a well-equipped Ram 1500 or an F-150 and the contrast becomes obvious almost immediately. Not exactly where you want to be when the truck carries a premium price tag. That is all changing. What's coming is a completely reimagined dashboard centered around a massive display drawing heavily from Cadillac's current 33-inch screen setup. Every trip in a truck, whether a long commute or a weekend haul, starts and ends in that cabin. A dated interior with unresponsive controls and seats that wear you out on a 3-hour drive doesn't just feel disappointing, it makes an expensive truck feel like a bad investment. The 2027 Silverado is addressing all of it. New flat-bottom steering wheel, fully digital instrument cluster, column-mounted shifter, freeing up console space, and meaningfully improved materials throughout. This is the interior that the Silverado's price tag has been promising for years, and while the cabin upgrade is long overdue, there's another reason to wait that'll matter specifically to buyers chasing maximum efficiency without giving up real-world muscle. Number 4. Diesel continues. Not everything is being left behind. The class-exclusive 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel is coming back for the new generation, confirmed by a green diesel label spotted on a test prototype steering wheel. Think about the buyer who pulls a heavy trailer several times a month and has watched a V8 gas truck burn through a full tank before reaching the destination. The Duramax changes that calculation entirely. Around 305 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque, delivered with the effortless character only a diesel can manage. With fuel economy figures no gasoline V8 will match. All of that is now coming wrapped inside a completely new truck. New design, new cabin, new capability, built around an engine that's already proven itself. No uncertainty, just refinement on a solid foundation. Speaking of capability, the numbers that define what this truck can actually do are going up in a big way. Number 3. Improved towing and payload capacity. For buyers who use the Silverado as a working tool, towing and payload define the purchase decision. The 2027 model is expected to break the 14,000-pound barrier, placing it at the top of the class. The new V8 family contributes directly. More torque, better thermal management under load, and improved combustion efficiency all show up when hauling something heavy up a long grade. GM is also investing an additional $300 million in its Michigan transmission plant, including a revised valve body for the 10-speed automatic that addresses the rear-wheel lockup issues from earlier models. Revised suspension geometry is part of the package too, targeting the ride quality complaints that have followed the current Silverado since day one. The 2027 won't just be rated higher on paper, it'll feel more capable where it actually counts. And if pushing past 14,000 pounds isn't enough, the next reason to wait might change how you think about fueling this truck altogether. Number 2. Plug-in hybrid. For a long time, GM's position on truck hybrids was simple: we don't need them. The plan was to skip straight to full electrification. That plan changed, and for good reason. A plug-in hybrid powertrain is in active development for the 2027 Silverado, not a modest belt-driven system that shaves a couple of miles per gallon and calls it progress. For the buyer covering 30 or 40 miles daily between home and a work site, a proper plug-in setup means entire weeks where the gas engine barely runs. Fuel costs drop significantly, without touching towing capacity or long-range capability when the real work begins. Tightening EPA emission standards for 2027 through 2032 are pushing every automaker to rethink efficiency, and GM is meeting those rules head-on without the turbocharged V6 compromise rivals have leaned on. The plug-in hybrid alone would make the 2027 worth waiting for. But the final reason on this list is the one that'll genuinely surprise anyone who thought GM had stopped fighting for the top of the off-road segment. Number 1. Raptor rival is coming. The current ZR2 is a capable off-road truck. It earns its reputation. But against the Raptor R's supercharged V8 and factory 37-inch tires, it has always occupied a slightly lower rung on the ladder. That is changing with the 2027 model. Spy photographers caught the 2027 Silverado ZR2 and GMC Sierra AT4X testing together in Michigan. The most telling detail was the expanded wheel openings. The current ZR2 maxes out at 33-inch tires, a limitation critics have pointed to for years. The 2027 version is being built for factory 35-inch tires from the start, with a reshaped front bumper and revised wheel arches already visible on prototypes. Better approach angles, more ground clearance, a meaningfully smaller gap between the ZR2 and its rivals. And above the ZR2, a new extreme performance variant is in development, equipped with a supercharged engine and purpose-built hardware aimed directly at the Raptor R, a factory-built supercharged Silverado that needs no aftermarket help to compete at the very top of the segment. For buyers who've watched Ford own that conversation for years, that wait is almost over. A full redesign, a next-generation V8 that fixes the fuel economy problem without ditching displacement, a cabin that finally goes toe-to-toe with Ram and Ford on the inside. The proven Duramax carries over into a brand-new package, towing pushing past 14,000 pounds, a plug-in hybrid that slashes fuel costs without touching capability, and a supercharged off-road variant with the Raptor R directly in its sights. That is the 2027 Chevrolet Silverado. And every one of those upgrades is a reason to hold off, because signing on a 2026 today means paying full price for a truck that's already been left behind. But don't think that rivals will just watch and do nothing. They are coming with updates too, starting from the key competitor, the F-150, which you can check out in our next video. For 2027, it's getting massive upgrades in terms of electrification that could completely change the way we look at non-conventional pickup trucks.